Yes, that is a really nice buck. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Thehunter. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial since my membership has expired recently. We are going to be starting from right here to in-game harvesting animals successfully. So, first thing first, we want to check the animals you can legally harvest without a membership or license. So these top three are open year-round. So that is white-tailed deer, pheasant, European rabbit, Sitka, reindeer, Eurasian lynx, magpie goose, sandbar, and feral hog. Next thing we want to do is we'll just go to single player for the day. We are going to find a place where the animals that we are going after will be. So I'm going to go after white-tailed deer, and we can check any of these reserves. Let's check Val de Bois. Put your cursor over the lodge, and it'll give you common prey: alpine ibex, brown bear, roe deer, European rabbit, rock ptarmigan. No white-tailed deer. So let's go to Whiteheart. We have common prey: whitetail, Roosevelt elk, coyote, and bobcat. So that's where we're going to go. We're going to do a morning hunt at 10 o'clock. Start game. We have now spawned at the lodge. First things first, we have to get our inventory ready because it doesn't do that itself. So you'll press I for inventory, and you will grab the 243. See, I have tons of other stuff, weapons, but the 243 and the single shotgun comes free with the game. So you'll equip ammo. This is 243 ballistic tip. And then you'll have the scope. There is no scope for this. Go to equipment, and the dope bleed call comes free along with binoculars. Clothing comes free too, but you can buy camo and whatnot. That's about it. Oh, we may need more ammo. There we go. Now we're ready to go hunt. Before you go out and try to kill an animal, it's important that you load your gun. Now by putting it in slot 1, you press number 1 to get out your gun, and you'll have to load it. Reload. Okay, one more thing I want to point out before leaving the lodge is I grabbed the slug shells. That or buckshot are the two ammunition you want to use for deer. Right? Let's go head out and try to kill ourselves a whitetail. Okay, so I'm getting near this tower. I believe this is Tower 12. I have a doe over here in the field and a buck out over here that I have not seen yet, so I'm not sure of his size. I'm kind of concerned because I think he's farther away from the tower than the doe, so we may have to take a longer shot at him. So, you want to simply go up to the tower. One thing I want to point out is I'm crouching. There's prone, lying down. There's crouching. And there is walking and running. Oops, there's our buck again. I accepted his call by using the left mouse button on the hunter ring. Will give us information. But here is the, oh, there he is. Nice buck. Yes, that is a really nice buck. Wow. It's coming right to me without even the call, so I'm going to see how close he come without the call, so I won't have to compete with the doe coming over. So, yeah, as I was saying, we'll equip our hunter mate by pressing tab, and then the different, the crouching and walking and whatever. So here's lying down. That's if like there's an animal like 100 meters close, or 100 meters minus. There's crouching, there's walking, and then there's running. You can adjust these settings by going into options. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna actually call now because I think he's a lot closer than this guy. You're gonna make sure you don't just do that. That won't attract him. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Okay. Now another thing you want to do is take out your binoculars and center the deer right in the middle of your binoculars, and it'll give you a square. That's actually a really nice buck. Got lucky with that. You just really don't want this doe to come before the buck. That could make things a lot more tricky. And I think I'm going to take this buck pretty quick because usually the higher the score, they're a little bit harder to kill. It already looked like he was smelling me by the way he was putting his nose up. Okay, now I'll come a little bit closer. Now I'm going to have to take a flying shot. Okay, he's coming forward. Okay, I'm going to stop talking to him for a second. Looks like a nice heart shot. A little bit to the left. To the left again, but I think that lead was good. Okay, so he should be down here pretty quick because I got a good heart shot. Oh, saw something back there. Okay, so we are going to exit the stand by pressing E. Equip our hunter mate by pressing tab. And now we can run because we just shot and I don't think there's going to be any animals around. So I'm guessing heart, but it may have been a little low. Maybe I should have waited for him to stop, but I also didn't want him too close because him spooking would not have been great. Body blood, so it's definitely pretty low. But this is a great example of bad shots.
Drop. Wait, did I drop that? Wait, did I drop that? That would be awesome if I did. Oh my gosh, yep, I dropped it. Okay.
You just want to follow these red orbs. You can change the color, but it seems like I've talked to a lot of people and they all prefer red. So we just want to keep tracking. Don't let animals go unless the blood trail totally runs out, but it's still recommended that we keep tracking. We may have to do a second shot on this guy because it's a lower caliber and it may not kill him, but I think he's definitely worth tracking because he's a bigger buck. Alright, we're just gonna keep tracking this and I'll update you when you get close to him or find him. And there's our buck. So I do not have to do a follow-up shot. I'm not too far from the tower. Let's see. So there's the lodge, there's the tower, and this is where the buck died. So after reviewing the footage, I believe it actually did come pretty close to a heart shot, but I didn't get the penetration I needed for it. Wow, that's a big deer. I got extremely lucky with this buck. It's not just because I have a few thousand hunter scores. You just need to take your time. This definitely isn't a buck you come by every day. 163. It's pretty nice. We'll take a trophy shot of that. Let's see. Oh, nope. Didn't mean to do that. Come out of the bushes here. I entered the area where you can move them by pressing space. I can do that again. And there we go. Right there. Then we can add a filter. That looks good. And that's it. Not gonna capture that. So there's a beginner tutorial to the hunter. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helps you out. Um, if you're not getting deer, I mean, I wouldn't give up. Just keep trying. Sometimes I have games up. You can come to my setup. My name is Fierce Slayer Turi, and I'll help you out. Um, you can also friend me, and I will give you guided hunts. I'll wrap it up for the day. Thanks for watching. Take care and good luck.